Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fundamentals of Engineering.
Today we are going to see some tips to crack GATE exam. So first is focus on high return subjects. GATE qualifying scores normally cover around 30 out of 100 marks. So you have to focus on high return subjects. So interestingly, if you see the 30% of or the questions are coming for engineering mathematics and general aptitude questions. So if you saw make more study on these two subjects, then you can constitute more than 30% of the total marks. So hence focusing on these relatively easier subjects would help in crossing the first hurdle of qualifying marks. So you have to focus on high return subject. Second is understand your strengths and take exam accordingly. Now you can see nobody has scored 100% marks in GATE, neither will you. Hence it is important to understand your key strength and you have to tackle the questions which will maximize your probability. So the good exam taker knows which questions to tackle and which not. So based on your strength, choose the questions and make the better possibility to score good marks. Third one, familiarize with the formulae. A number of questions are formulae based and hence can be answered very easily just by applying the formulae. Hence it is important not only you get yourself acquainted with the formulae but also understand 3 to 5 of its use cases. So you can develop one new concept to familiarize with the formulae, and based on that you can memorize that formulae and you can solve the more questions. Fourth one, practice, practice and more practice. This is the best tool in hand in order to understand your preparation level as well as your strength and weaknesses. So you have to practice because the practice make perfect. So practice more mock test as possible. If you practice more mock tests, then you will get a perfect target. So you have to practice and more practice because the practice makes a man perfect. So you will get more marks in GATE. Last one, that is relax before the exam. So 80% of the battle is fought on the exam day. Hence no matter how well you have prepared, it is important that you have to relax well for the day. So relaxing techniques vary from person to person. So one can relax from taking the meditation, one can relax by listening the music, or one can relax while taking the long sleep. So these techniques vary from person to person. Hence you have to figure out the mechanism that works best for you and deploy that. So that was the 5 important steps to crack the GATE. So the success is depend on the efforts. Good luck for your exam. Do the best. Please keep calm and do your best. I wish you a success. Rock the test and don't trace it out so that you can score the good marks and you can achieve whatever you want. So we have seen some of the important tips for the GATE crack. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and stay connected. Thank you very much.